welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on, as you guys have already read the title, I will be making guacamole. Also, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to also hit that bell button so you never miss a post. Now let's get back to the video. Basically, I'm just scooping out the inside part of the avocado right now, and I'm just gonna be putting it inside the bowl. So I will be using a potato masher to mash these, but in order for me to make it easier for myself, I'm just cutting them up. See how easily it's just smashing? I'm just gonna mash them up. And what I basically did was I actually ended up adding a bit water, so it gives me that very nice texture to it. So I'm just mixing it up, and you guys can see how it looks so much better adding just a little bit of water. Try not to add too much water, but I just added a little bit of water. Next, I'm going to be adding in the vegetables inside. So basically here what I have is I have cucumbers, onions, and some black peppers already mixed. And I also ended up adding a little bit of salt inside of those cucumbers and onion mixture. And I'm just going to be adding some more and mixing it at the same time, adding little portions of it and mixing it as like a little bit more. Once that's already been mixed nicely, I'm just going to be adding in some tomatoes. I feel like tomatoes just give out that very nice taste to the guacamole, which makes it more tastier. And then next I'm going to be adding a little bit more black pepper. I like to have a little bit of that flavor into it, and some Himalaya salt. And I'm just mixing that up right now. Just a little bit more, so you guys can see how nicely the colors are looking. And there you have it, you guys. This is my guacamole recipe. I usually really like to have some of my guacamole with some toast, and you can also enjoy guacamole with some nachos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think, and also do let me know what other videos you guys would like to see next. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for lots more other fun videos, and I will see you guys next time. Take care, guys. Bye.